nowadays, XR is a buzzword for the content creations because nobody can afford a big studio or different sets or a different kind. So XR can realize whatever background, whatever AR, whatever environment you can make it. So that's a very, very popular item for EDU market as well. But the issue is still XR package is very complicated, very cumbersome. Different type of software have to be needed. So 4A is come up a solution to offer EDU market as a turnkey package of the one server with the software with 3 years maintenance agreement with 20 hours free training in it. And then that one software can handle VR, XR, AR, multi-camera control, everything. So you don't need to plug into the different software or different server, different everything to hook up the configuration. Just one turnkey server can provide you all XR element. Also, ease of use is a big issue. You don't need to worry about learning the modeling, or scripting, or IT technology to make up the XR. Our offering is like a very common use of editing platform using timeline and a keyframe and a drag and drop. So much easier operation. And then also including not only the VR, you can import AR contents into this XR environment so easy on the one platform. And also this is very, very affordable. And then some unique function is even focus, defocus on the background to make up even cinematic looks. So this turnkey system is multi-purpose for the broadcast or cinema or corporate or commercial, you name it. And then 4A is offering 100% support. So of course, as I said, that's including 3 years maintenance agreement and then 20 hours training. But time to time, if you need more training, need more consultation, change the curriculum, be happy to be with you to have a discussion what's the best way to teach XR to the student. So 4A is very, very happy to be part of your team to grow a lot of good director and producer by XR. Thank you.